In this video, I'll show you how to use a micro SD card with your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. You'll need an adapter to actually make use of one of these. How do you do this? Well, very easy. You need a micro SD adapter to USB Type-C. Now there's many brands out there. One that worked for me is this Anker. I think it's a pretty reputable brand. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but if you want to get one from Amazon, I'll put a link in the description. So all you have to do is to insert it. This one is able to read regular SD card, but also micro, like this one. Okay, once it's inserted, go ahead and plug it in the USB-C port of your iPhone, like that. And now we need to find the Files app to be able to see whatever movies, pictures, documents that are on it. So let's search for the File app. If it's not here, go on the other page. It's right there. If you don't see it, go all the way towards the right side, sorry. Tap on the top and type Files. It comes pre-installed, you don't need to download it. Tap on it. From here, you're gonna tap on Browse on the lower right side. Click on Browse top left side. And then you're gonna see in this list your SD card. Mine is right there. Tap on it. And finally, you'll be able to access documents, pictures, anything you can tap. This is on my SD card. Okay. Like that. What if you want to transfer something from the SD card to your iPhone so you don't have to keep it plugged like this all the time? Well, okay, let's say I want to transfer this Godzilla picture there. Could be a folder as well, doesn't matter. Okay, you're gonna tap these three dots. You're gonna select. Check mark on any files or folders you want to transfer. Could be many. In my case, I just want this one. And then you're going to press these three dots on the lower right side. And you're going to have multiple options here appearing that you can do with whatever you have selected. In our case, we simply want to copy this picture on the iPhone memory. Therefore, we're going to select copy. Now go back, select on my iPhone, and then we're going to long press anywhere on the screen and then select paste. And the Godzilla picture is now transferred on my iPhone memory. I can now remove the SD and it will still be there. You can do the same thing reversed. So if you have stuff on your iPhone, music or I don't know what else, pictures, videos that you want to transfer on your SD. These are a few pictures I took yesterday. Let's say I want to transfer them on the SD card. I'll click on select on the top of the screen. Select the pictures you want, and then you're going to tap this icon on the lower left side. Go down, click on Save to Files, and now select Browse here, select your SD card, and finally click on Save. It will now save the picture you have selected that you took with your iPhone on your micro SD card. It could be also videos, obviously. So this is it. This is how you actually connect and use a micro SD card with your iPhone 16. Once you're done, simply unplug it. You don't have to do anything special. Again, I'll put a link in the description if you want to get this adapter, and also a link to an SD card if you need one. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, also subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.